welcome back to Anomalous and today doing Cup of Dengue. And this is actually pretty interesting in terms of what dengue is. Here we go. Oh my god, that is really good. Anyways, dengue is a viral infection transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes in tropical climates, causing high fever, severe headache, pain behind the eyes, joint/muscle pain, and rash. Symptoms typically last 2 to 7 days with recovery in about 1 to 2 weeks. Severe cases, dengue, hemorrhagic fever can be life-threatening and require immediate medical attention. And it says the cause, there are 4 strains of the dengue virus, which is DENV 1, 2, 3, and 4. Transmission is caused through the bite of infected Aedes aegypti or Aedes albopictus mosquitoes, which bite primarily during the day. It is not spread directly from person to person, but through the person-mosquito cycle. Symptoms of it, yeah, we already talked about that already. And it says for warning signs of severe dengue, these require immediate emergency care and include severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, bleeding gums or nose, vomiting blood, and extreme fatigue or restlessness. Yikes. Dengue is not so much here in America as it can be, but it depends. But yeah, that's dengue. And I'm going to tell you now, I hate mosquitoes. And if anyone knows me, I rarely wear shorts because in the summertime, these mosquitoes eat my legs like I am their last supper. It is literally not even kidding. They love eating my legs. They love sucking the blood off my legs. I hate wearing shorts, so I always wear long sleeves. Anyways, sweet, sticky, too thick, like rotting fruit clinging to my tongue. A fever coils under my skin, deep in my bones, pulsing like wings fluttering in my veins. Aches bloom, joints twisting, cracking. Was I always this fragile? I don't think so. Okay, you are a mosquito and I want to step on you. Okay, buddy. I don't like that your mouth elevation seems more seductive. Anyways, that is the Cup of Dengue. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit your next video. Bye-bye.